So we're going to be exploring protractors. Now, protractors are a way to measure an angle. So if we look over here, I have a stock protractor shown below. And really quickly, here's a quick tip to read the protractor. So you can start on either side. You could start your line over here to the left, or you could start it over here to the right like I did with my red line. Now, if you're starting it over on the right, you want to make sure that your zero is on your line that you're starting with. Because if we then go up to 90, it will be accurate. See, if we're imagining this 180 over here, and then we read it, it's going to be completely wrong. This isn't 120 degrees. This is 60 degrees right over here. So we want to make sure we're reading those bottom numbers if we're starting on the right side. If we're starting on the left side, then we want to read the top numbers. See how that goes up by 10 out on the outside, and this goes up by 10 on the inside. So we're going to be starting over here because that's what we've done every time on our video. And I'm going to show you a couple of different angles. So if we look over here, this is an exactly 10-degree angle. If we scroll up, then we can see that it can turn into a 50-degree angle. Here is a 90-degree angle. So this is our right angle, and everything that is going to be less, like 80 degrees, 70 degrees, 69 degrees, 68 degrees, etc., those are all going to be acute angles. As soon as we pass that 90 degrees, then we are starting to get to obtuse angles. For example, this would be 120 degrees right there. Now, what we're actually going to practice on is we're going to practice estimating. So we're going to estimate just by using those 4 quadrants, just like we had before. So if we have our starting line right over here, then we draw our next line over here. Here's our next line. What we're going to do is we're going to estimate what exactly this angle is. So using that this is 90 and this over here is 0, we're going to basically look up and go, that looks like it's about half of 90. It's probably 45 degrees. So take a look at your practice sheets and make a reasonable estimation with the angles that you have been provided.